Whether you're planning a short weekend getaway or a multi-country vacation, it's important to ensure that you come prepared and think ahead when it comes to packing for your trip. Today on Vacation Nation, we'll discuss a few must-have travel accessories that will help even the most seasoned traveler be that much more prepared for all the adventures that lie ahead. Item number 1, Space Saver Premium Vacuum Storage Bags. We've all been there. While packing for a trip, and especially while packing our bags for the return trip home, it's a common predicament to find yourself playing suitcase Tetris, trying to squeeze all your belongings into your already overfilled suitcase. If you've ever had to actually sit on your suitcase to squeeze your precious belongings together just long enough to close and zip the suitcase shut, we've been there too. The great news is, packing for your trip doesn't have to be this stressful. Space Saver Premium Vacuum Storage Bags have found their way into the hands of avid tourists, as well as into the homes of those looking to maximize on space saving and organization around the house. By utilizing vacuum seal technology, these space-saving bags greatly reduce the overall size of the items stored within by compressing the contents as small as possible. The Space Saver Premium Vacuum Storage Bags come with a hand pump for travel, but a simple vacuum hose will do the trick just as well. Whether you're looking to maximize on space within your luggage, or simply looking to create a more organized home, these storage bags will certainly increase your organizing prowess in any situation. Item number 2, Laptop Backpack with USB Charging Port. Could this be the holy grail of laptop backpacks? We at Vacation Nation think this next item could just be the MVP in your packing game. Marketed as a multi-use, multi-compartment backpack, you'll find more than enough room to tote along your laptop and relevant accessories with ease. The cleverly designed USB charging port with a built-in charging cable is just icing on the cake when you consider that this backpack is also anti-theft and water-resistant. It should be noted that the backpack itself does not provide a charge. You'll need to purchase a portable charger to feed power to your device via the USB port installed in this backpack. Which leads us to item number 3, the Anayu Portable Charger Phone Power Bank. A portable charger should be high on any traveler's list of importance when it comes to preparing for a trip. Whether you're delayed at an airport or train station with limited power outlets, or you're expecting to engage in serious photography or vlogging during the day, it's important to make sure you're staying connected wherever you are. Portable chargers give travelers a sense of mobility and a second life to their electronics that can be invaluable in today's technology-driven world. Item number 4, MyCarbon Electronic Suitcase Digital Scale. Among the many potential hassles that can arise while traveling, unexpected excess baggage fees are one of the most common annoyances that can occur at the last moment. The good news is, this situation is entirely preventable, especially if you have one of these nifty MyCarbon electronic suitcase baggage digital scales with you. This handy device can save you from some serious extra baggage fees before you arrive at the airline counter by allowing you to easily weigh the contents of your suitcase anywhere. For a minimal cost of just under $20, this digital scale is sure to pay for itself in no time. Not only are they great for your own personal use, their smaller size makes them a great candidate as a stocking stuffer for the travel enthusiast in your family. Item number 5, Ryoko Travel Money Belt. According to an article by the Irish Examiner, approximately 400,000 incidents of pickpocketing occur each day around the globe. Pickpocketing can occur anywhere, but is especially concentrated in certain areas of the world, such as Barcelona, Spain, the United Kingdom, Rome, Italy, and Paris, France, among many others. Investing in a Ryoko Travel Money Belt is one discreet method of hiding your cash and other important belongings away from would-be thieves. This travel money belt also incorporates RFID blocking technology, so you can rest assured that your debit and credit cards are not scanned by information thieves looking to make a quick buck at your expense. As a final note on this subject, while a travel money belt can help to minimize your losses should a pickpocket target you, it's important to remember to always maintain situational awareness when traveling. Being aware of your surroundings will minimize the chance of you becoming a target in any situation. That wraps up our suggestions for travel accessories that will make your trip more enjoyable simply by incorporating ingenuity and recent technologies. If you'd like to purchase any of the items described during this video, simply visit the links in the comments section to be linked directly to the item on Amazon. As always, please help support our channel by liking and subscribing.